Every brush stroke is more than just color on canvas. It's depth, it's light, it's life itself coming forward. Hope you like this ideas and design. This is very special and interesting design for our viewers and subscriber. This is not a flat painting, it's a 3D painting, a work of art that steps out of the frame and into your world. Watch as Watch as each layer builds upon the last, turning shadows into form and texture into something you can almost reach out and touch. The process is meditative, starting from a blank surface, slowly shaping the illusion of depth with patient strokes. The background recedes, the highlights advance, and suddenly the painting breathes. In 3D painting, the artist plays with perspective and dimension. It's not just what you see, but how you feel, like stepping into another world, one layer at a time. It's about breaking boundaries between imagination and reality. Creating art you don't just look at, you experience. Every color, every stroke, every counter is alive with purpose. This is more than painting, it's a sculpting with light and shadow. And when it's finished, the painting doesn't stay on the wall, it reaches for you, it speaks to you. This is the magic of 3D painting. That version works well for a short video, reel, or showcase. These are very depth painting. Everybody who see this, every great painting begins with silence, an empty canvas waiting for its story to unfold. When you start a painting, it's not just about putting color on a flat surface. It's about creating a world that feels alive, a world that draws the eyes in and makes the heart pause. The canvas is no longer a window, it becomes a doorway. The first step is vision, what you see in your mind before a single brush touches the surface. Maybe it's a landscape that stretches for into the distance. Maybe it's an object that feels close enough to touch. Maybe it's an illusion, something that bends reality and makes people ask, how is this possible? Then canvas, then comes the foundation. Soft lines, guiding strokes, light pencil marks, or even washes of color to shape the scene. In 3D painting, depth is everything. You begin by imagining layers, the background, the midground, the foreground. Just like in life, everything has its place, everything has its distance. Slowly you add color. The background fades into cooler, softer tones. If you like the video, don't forget to follow. I will shout out for you if you leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice day.